What's up, Shog? My name is Januel De Berwin, 16 years old, a grade 11 student, STEM, and I live in Santa Guida, Pamplona, Negros Oriental. For today's video, I would like to share to you my favorite things to do. And my favorite things to do is going to the school and train volleyball because I want to improve my skills in volleyball. And after training, I will hang out with my friends to nature trip. Bye-bye, Shog. Mora to. Enjoy the video.
Jamming session. Sa pagising ko sa umagay, matay pulang-pulang na mamagaliwanag ay tuluyan bang naglaho na? Tuluyan bang naglaho na? Araw-araw niisip ang mga nakaraan. Umeba dati at ngayon wala na pang hangganan. O liwanag, o liwanag, kumapit ka sa akin. O liwanag, o liwanag, kumapit ka sa akin.